Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gold balloon is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching decorative elements available today, capable of transforming any space into a festive and memorable occasion. Whether you're planning a birthday bash, a sophisticated anniversary celebration, or a grand corporate event, the shimmering allure of gold balloons adds an undeniable touch of elegance and joy that guests are sure to remember. Their ability to float gracefully and catch the light makes them a popular choice for creating stunning balloon arches, captivating ceiling displays, or simply as charming accents scattered throughout your venue, ensuring your decorations are both impactful and aesthetically pleasing. Number 5. PartyWoo Metallic Gold Balloons 100 PCS Chrome Gold Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning metallic gold balloons, perfect for any special occasion. These balloons add a touch of glamour and sophistication to your event. This pack includes a variety of sizes, from 18 inches down to 5 inches. Create breathtaking balloon arches and garlands that will impress your guests. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons stay inflated longer. Ensure your decorations remain perfect throughout your entire celebration. Inflating them with air is a breeze and they'll stay full for up to 72 hours. They are designed for quick inflation, saving you time and effort. From birthdays and weddings to baby showers and graduations, these versatile balloons are the ideal choice. Make every moment unforgettable with these beautiful decorations. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and sharp objects for optimal results. Inflate them to your desired size and enjoy the festive atmosphere they create. What we like? This option offers a great variety of sizes, from 5 to 18 inches, perfect for creating dynamic balloon arrangements. Its durable latex ensures your decorations stay looking full and vibrant throughout your event. If you're planning a large party and need a comprehensive set for arches and garlands, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The balloons are a good size and hold air well. They look very elegant and festive, perfect for a special occasion. The gold color is vibrant and shiny, adding a touch of luxury to the decor. Number 4. RUBFAC Metallic Gold Balloon Garland Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning metallic gold balloon garland arch kit. It's designed to add a touch of elegance and excitement to any event you're planning. This comprehensive kit includes 129 balloons in various sizes, from 18 inches down to 5 inches. You'll have everything you need to create a truly customized look. Crafted from high-quality, safe latex, these balloons are built to last. They can be filled with either air or helium for maximum flexibility in your decorations. Whether it's a graduation, birthday, wedding, or any other special moment, this balloon kit is the perfect addition. Create unforgettable balloon arches and garlands with ease. With included ribbons and glue dots, setting up your balloon masterpiece is a breeze. Let your creativity shine as you design unique shapes and arrangements. A slight latex scent may be present upon opening. Simply air them out in a shaded area. We recommend using a balloon pump for efficient inflation. What we like? This pack provides the most balloons, with 129 pieces in various sizes, ensuring you have plenty for any event. It also conveniently includes ribbons and glue dots for easy assembly. If you're looking for a complete kit that makes creating stunning balloon arches and garlands effortless, this is the one for you. What people say. The balloons are a good size and hold air well. They look very elegant and festive, perfect for a special occasion. The metallic finish is shiny and catches the light beautifully. Number 3. PartyWoo Gold Balloon Arch Kit G101. Elevate your celebration with our exquisite gold balloon arch kit. It includes a variety of sizes to create a stunning visual impact for any event. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating beautiful arches and garlands that last throughout your celebration. From birthdays and weddings to baby showers and graduations, these balloons are the perfect addition. They bring a touch of elegance and joy to any festive gathering. Inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or with helium for floating decorations. They are designed for quick and easy setup, ensuring more time for enjoyment. Make your special occasions unforgettable with these beautiful gold balloons. They are ideal for adding a festive and memorable touch to your parties. Please avoid overfilling and protect them from extreme heat or sharp objects. Inflate them to your desired size for the perfect decorative effect. What we like. With 140 balloons in assorted sizes, this set offers the most value for extensive decorations. The thick, durable latex means they'll hold their shape and air for extended periods. If you need to fill a large venue or want maximum impact for your celebration, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The balloons are a good size and hold air well. They have a nice metallic sheen and look very festive. Easy to inflate and tie, perfect for decorations. Number 2. PartyWoo 36-inch metallic gold balloons. Introducing our stunning 36-inch metallic gold balloons, perfect for adding a touch of glamour to any celebration. These extra-large balloons are designed to impress. These balloons come in a solid, vibrant gold color that brings energetic vibes to your event. They are ideal for a wide range of occasions, from birthdays to baby showers and weddings. Crafted from high-quality, thick latex, these balloons stay inflated longer, ensuring your decorations look perfect throughout your event. They are perfect for creating stunning arches, garlands, and centerpieces. You can fill them with air, which lasts up to 72 hours, or with helium for a 3 to 6 hour float. For best results, inflate with helium a couple of hours before your event starts. Please avoid overfilling and exposure to extreme conditions for optimal size and longevity. These balloons are designed to bring joy and make your special occasions truly unforgettable. Whether it's a birthday, graduation, anniversary, or baby shower, these chrome gold balloons are the perfect choice. They are sure to make your event shine and be remembered. What we like. This set focuses on creating a dramatic visual impact with 4 extra-large 36-inch balloons. Their vibrant metallic finish is sure to turn heads and serve as a stunning focal point. If you want to make a bold statement and add a touch of grandeur to your event, especially for photos or as a main decoration, these are perfect. What people say. The balloons are a good size and hold air well. They have a nice metallic sheen and look very festive. Easy to inflate and tie, perfect for party decorations. Number 1. AULE 42-piece metallic and confetti balloon set. Introducing a stunning set of 42 balloons, featuring a chic metallic gold and dazzling confetti design. These 12-inch decorations are sure to impress. Embrace the latest trend with these beautiful metallic latex balloons. Their exquisite shine will undoubtedly capture attention and add a touch of elegance to any event. From weddings and birthdays to baby showers and graduations, these balloons are the ideal choice. Elevate your party atmosphere for any special occasion. Crafted from durable, helium-strength latex, these balloons are built to last. We ensure the best experience for your celebrations. Each set comes with 2 32-foot ribbons, making decorating a breeze. Create stunning balloon arrangements effortlessly. We are committed to providing excellent products and value your feedback. If you're not completely satisfied, please reach out to us. What we like. This pack offers a stylish combination of classic metallic gold and trendy confetti balloons, all in a standard 12-inch size. The mix provides visual interest and a festive atmosphere. If you're aiming for a chic and modern party aesthetic and want a simple yet eye-catching decoration, this set is a great pick. What people say. The balloons are a good size and hold air well. They have a nice metallic sheen and look very festive. Easy to inflate and tie, making decorating a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.